One of my favorite exercises for upper back and back of shoulders. This really helps to improve posture. This is called a face pull. We're trying to pull the band in just between the collarbone and the chin. So the neck of your t-shirt, we've got the tummy nice and tight. As you can see, the elbows flare out to the side. And we're really squeezing the shoulder blades together. So it's upper back, back of the shoulders, really good posture. Especially when you're carrying a heavy bag, you want these muscles to be strong. You want to be able to keep good posture throughout the climb. Otherwise you'll struggle with your breathing. And we're looking at building up to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Again, a simple step back will increase the resistance. And obviously, if you are able and you want to improve, you can always add a stronger band.